As you're working through your WordPress site, you're often going to be asked to add a little bit of code to the header or footer of your site, and it can be a little bit daunting if you don't know what to do. Today I'm going to show you a very simple plugin that will let you add in any number of scripts into the header or footer, and this could be for MailChimp, for Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, and many more. Let's take a look. So a very straightforward plugin today that's going to let you add in script to your header or footer, which you'll be asked to do for Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, MailChimp pop-ups, many other ones. And simply enough, it is called Header Footer Code Manager. This is by 99 Robots. All it does is it's a plugin you install, and then you can install a number of scripts to the header and footer as much as you need. That simple. If we just hop into the dashboard, so if we go to my site first, just a local version here I'm working on, hit refresh, we're not getting any pop-ups. And I want to add a pop-up for the, let's say the new cookie consent banner as you see. That's a common one you'll be asked to do. So not seeing anything currently, let's fix that. So this website here, so websitepolicies.com/cookie consent banner generator. This is a great free little pop-up generator for the cookie consent specifically. So super easy, super useful to use. I've gone ahead and kind of prepared one ready to go. And as you can see, it says copy the code below to the header of your website, just above the head tag. So this needs to go into the header. Let's go ahead and copy that. Copy the code. Great, so we got that ready to go. Now for the website, all we have to do is go into plugins, add new, and in the search, just look for header footer. Now there'll be a number of options, and there's a few good ones too, so certainly if you want to explore that a little bit, but the one we're looking for is Header Footer Code Manager. So we'll go ahead and install. That's great, we're going to activate, and we are ready to go. You'll notice on the left side here, you got this little blue robot head, HFCM, Header Footer Code Manager. Let's hop into there. Simply enough, it's listing all the current scripts or the snips that we have in there. Let's add a new one. Snip name, this will be the cookie consent pop-up. Now site-wide, so wherever the users come to, this will pop up. What's very useful is, let's say you have a sales page or a freebie download page and you want to give a extra pop-up for a course or an exit intent or something, download this thing. You can target particular pages with particular pop-ups. So that makes this all the more useful in that if you have a pop-up that really serves one particular page or blog post, you can use this. But in this case, we want to be site-wide wherever they come in. Actually, one nice too is that beyond only put it onto this page, you can also say do not put it on this page. So if you want to have a email subscription pop-up show up everywhere, great. But then on an actual page where you have the form on it, it'd be kind of weird to, hey, all right, thanks for signing up, put in your information, and then the pop-up also shows up. It'd be annoying. So you could say, okay, don't show the newsletter sign up on the newsletter sign up page. So you can also exclude, which is really nice. Now this one's important. Location. Is it in the header or the footer? When you're selecting the code, it's going to tell you where it needs to be installed. If you remember, copy the code below the header of your website. Also, you'll obviously see referred to the head tag as well, but the header of your website. So because we know that, it could be header, all devices. And again, if you want to have a particular one for mobile, you could add two and then say this one show on mobile, this one only show on desktop. So all the options here are very simple but very useful. In addition to, if it's time sensitive, you can say this is active or not. So inactive will just mean it's not actually working on the site, but it's stored in your site. So maybe once a month you'd like to have it, or it's only for a certain quarter, however. So this is where we want name of it site-wide, in the header, all devices, and active. Code, you'll remember that I copied the code from this page here. We will paste it, and we will save. That's it, that's done. We're ready to go. So if we go back to the HFCM, Header Footer Code Manager, we can see that this one's right here. Really handy toggle to turn it off or on. And if we go back to our website, there we are. Just that simple. So what's really great is you can use this again for Google Analytics, MailChimp or newsletter signups, Sumo pop-ups, Facebook pixels, Pinterest pixels, anything that you need to use. Really simple to use. The header footer code manager to simply inject code into the header or footer of your website. So hope that helps with your website, makes things a little bit easier, and cheers to your wonderful looking website.